Salman Khan is thoroughly enjoying farming these days. He, along with some members of his family and staff, have taken to farming in a major way in his Panvel farmhouse. Salman on Tuesday shared a new video. Sharing it, Salman simply wrote, "Rice plantation done." The video shows the actor planting rice saplings in ankle-deep paddy fields. He cuts the picture of a modern farmer in shorts, t-shirt and a cap. Have a look. On Monday, Salman had shared a video of himself on a tractor, ploughing the plot of land. At another time, he had shared a picture of wet mud smeared all over his body along with a note of appreciation and gratitude to farmers of the country. On the work front, just before the lockdown set in, Salman had been shooting for his upcoming film, Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai. The film also stars Disha Patani and Randeep Hooda. It was scheduled to release on Eid but was postponed due to coronavirus pandemic. News Desk.